Hi there and welcome to Finnish lesson number 30. In this lesson, you'll learn how to say, for example, come here, take this, wait a minute, and so on. Learning the imperative is useful for improving your communication skills. So let's study when to use it and how to form it. To begin with, you should know that there are two imperative forms in the Finnish language. One for addressing a single person and one for addressing multiple people. We use different forms for singular and plural. For example, if you are addressing one person, you'll use the singular. To say go to someone is mene, mene. Don't go is älä mene, älä mene. The plural for the same verb is menkää, menkää, meaning go if you are talking to more than one person. To say don't go in plural is älkää menkö, älkää menkö. A very common context for using the imperative mood is when somebody gives instructions, commands, or is requesting something. Now, let's see how to form the imperative in singular. Luckily, it's very easy. All you need to do is to take the first person singular form of any Finnish verb and then take away the final letter N, and there you have it. Let's see how it's done in each of the 6 verb types. Now, if you want to take a moment to think about the answers, please pause the video now. Okay, let's carry on then. Wait. Odota. Odota. Eat. Syö. Syö. Listen. Kuuntele. Kuuntele. Wake up. Herää. Herää. Choose. Valitse. Valitse. Flee. Pakene. Pakene. This is the positive form. And then, to form the negative, you'll simply add the word älä in front of the positive imperative. The word älä on its own means don't, so it can be used without any other verb too. Let's change these commands into negative ones. And once again, let's revise the rule. To form the negative imperative in a singular form, you'll add the word älä in front of the positive command. Take a moment to think about how to say these in Finnish, and then let's read them together. Don't wait. Älä odota. Älä odota. Don't eat. Älä syö. Älä syö. Don't listen. Älä kuuntele. Älä kuuntele. Don't wake up. Älä herää. Älä herää. Don't choose. Älä valitse. Älä valitse. Don't flee. Älä pakene. Älä pakene. So this is how to form the imperative in singular. Next, let's do the same thing in plural. The forming of the plural imperative may sound a bit complicated. Let's see how it's done, and please let me know in the comments if you think it's difficult or not. You need to add the marker ka or ka to the verb's infinitive stem. Let's see how to do this. To wait in Finnish is odottaa. As you can see, the infinitive marker for this verb type is a or ä. And now you'll remove a and add ka. And then you'll have odottakaa. Odottakaa. This is the plural imperative. So you'll use this when you are addressing multiple people. Let's do the same with other verb types too. To eat, syödä, syökää, syökää. To listen, kuunnella. Kuunnelkaa, kuunnelkaa. To wake up, herätä. Herätkää, herätkää. To choose, valita, valitkaa, valitkaa. To flee, paeta, paetkaa, paetkaa. So this is the positive plural form that you'll be using when addressing or instructing more than one person. Next, let's study the negative form. And here you'll use älkää, älkää. This means don't. Then add ko or kö to the infinitive stem of the main verb. So here the same stem is used as with the positive forms. Now let's change these commands into negative ones. To wait, odottaa, älkää odottako, älkää odottako. To eat, syödä, älkää syökö, älkää syökö. To listen, kuunnella, älkää kuunnelko, älkää kuunnelko. To wake up, herätä, älkää herätkö, älkää herätkö. To choose, valita, älkää valitko, älkää valitko. To flee, paeta, älkää paetko, älkää paetko. Let's practice a bit. What are the negative forms of the following verbs? Let's take a look at the answers then. Don't give, älkää antako, älkää antako. Don't drink, älkää juoko, älkää juoko. Don't go, älkää menkö, älkää menkö. Don't play, älkää pelatko, älkää pelatko. Don't mention it, älkää mainitko sitä, älkää mainitko sitä. To proceed, don't proceed, älkää edetkö, älkää edetkö. To sum it all up, when addressing one person, you can say, wait for me, odota minua, odota minua. Or don't wait for me, älä odota minua, älä odota minua. When addressing more than one person, you would say, odottakaa minua, odottakaa minua. Or if you don't want them to wait for you, you can say, älkää odottako minua, älkää odottako minua. Now in spoken Finnish, you might hear people say, oota mua, oota mua. And in plural, oottakaa mua, oottakaa mua. This is all for now. Please let me know in the comments if you think the imperative is easy or difficult to learn. Thanks for watching and see you soon.